Good morning, friends, and namaste to all. See, I just want to make a very simple price action strategy, or rather, what I have been following or sharing to my friends. So, these are the levels I'm sharing every day before the market opens. Remember, this is before the market, these levels are marked. Okay, this level, this, all these levels. Okay, for this, I think was not is not a part. It's a previous days, so I have not deleted. Neither I think same with this. Now, what happens with these price action levels is it will help us to observe the market peacefully without panicking. And if you notice, the price will react. These are not just a support and resistance. These are different. This is simple. It is not support and resistance. This is drawn before the market. If you go back and check, there is no support or there is no action. These levels, even if the price is not come here before, here, can you see? If you notice, this is not a support or the price actually afford. So these are high magnetic levels. The price tends to the stay there and then either take a support or resistance and move down or up. Take example here. What happened yesterday? Market opened somewhere here, 47,995, went up, took resistance, came down, support, stood there for a long time. If you see, it is traded for a very long time. And then what happened? It went up. It, of course, the momentum was strong. It went above, came back. It was staying there for a long time. Whenever it crosses downside, upside, we can trade. One. Number two, whenever it stays there for some time and then takes up or down, also we can trade. So here, if you notice, Bank Nifty was here for a longer time and then went up. Came down. Of course, when the momentum is strong, it will not. It will just break. In fact, if you notice this candle, it tried to go up and then again fell. So these are futures because we trade in futures. Okay. For options, there is another price action which I have not in uh, sharing for now. I will do so uh, for the paid subscribers because this is now you see. Let's see Nifty. Okay, what happened? Market took resistance, came down, took support, but when the momentum is strong, it we notice it took resistance again here, came down, momentum strong, took resistance and came down, took support, stayed for some time. What happened here? Red candle, green candle, we could have bought here, made some points. Again came down. If you see, as I mentioned, I'll magnetic levels. Okay, price tends to react and stay and move up or down. Take support or up and down. Okay, and momentum is strong. You can just go ahead short or long, and also targets. It can be your what you call the target pending order. You can place it. If you bought, for example, if you're long here, you exit. ಹಾ ಇಂದ್ರಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲ 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 ನನ್ನ ನಾನೇನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಇದು ನೀವು ಬನ್ನಿ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ನೀವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ so here if I am long here this is my profit booking. Again, if I'm long here, this is my profit booking. If I'm short here, this is my profit booking. So you can use it as target, whichever way you want. Example yesterday, take example Sensex. Sensex open gap down. Many took longs here, correct? See how it went up. Then they could have exited here, gone short, Again took go long here. Here, hero zero trades were done. Every time it came here, I was confident here. I took longs here. Gave me a lot of opportunities at this level. Simple action. Yesterday, take bank nifty. Same with bank nifty. It short here support. I would have, you could have, but this will work effectively for futures more than options, as I mentioned. For options, I have different. Now let's look at finance. Nifty Finance yesterday was highly volatile because of Muthoot and Chola Finance. They have been very volatile. Chola Finance, in fact, gave us very good short. So here, if you see there was a short, you see this how reaction buyers or sellers are sitting at these levels. Okay, and see here how it took short and then momentum was strong, went up, took support, went up, took resistance, came down, and now it is come and stuck here. So if you see, price tends to react at these levels. Okay. Now, couple of other things I want to explain, tell you. If you remember, I was telling many of you 13th of, I was telling you there is one sector which will be reacting very strongly. We will get at a discounted price. I also mentioned I'm short on Infosys heavily. This was on 13th and 12th of February. If you notice, from 1,850 levels, this is where, of course, we shorted 1,850 levels. We saw a rally down to 1,600, almost 200 points rally. So one, if you are long here, exiting would have been a good choice, and now buying is a good choice. You would have averted a bigger loss. Now we are in profit. In fact, yes, 2 3 days back, if you bought, you could have made some profit here, covered that loss here. We were short in futures, in fact, not in options, because options, premium killing. We took, of course, a planned hedge, and we took March series. Now it was February, because we don't have to roll over at a lower price. Supposing they at here, what is February end, I have to roll over. What will happen? I will roll over at a lower price and get stuck. So simply we took at March series. Now, what are our stock picks? We had mentioned 30 to 35 levels by this stock, if you remember. See the way it has been rallying. Other stocks which I'm looking at, of course, apart from that, we holding SpiceJet, we holding Brigade, of course, and because Brigade we've been holding from very low levels, and this is another stock which we are looking at, Moss. So uh, let this come from. I'm just waiting for. These stocks are all big players have been trading, so I'm looking at those stocks. Okay, you can call it as flag, whatever. I don't look at those, but let me share you today's intraday levels. Sorry, intraday stocks, which are a few F&Os which I'm looking at. I'm looking at Muthoot Finance, again, Jindal Steel and Power, UPL, Solar Industries, Aro Pharma, and Oberoi Realty. Oberoi can be very strong. Maybe positional also I may look at. Uh, Intraday levels for index I'll be sharing you shortly. Please stay tuned. Daily I'll try to share the index levels and utilize that opportunity and trade peacefully, safely. God bless you all, and thank you.